So welcome, good morning. I'm going to walk you through on how to reply the notes that I've sent you, okay? When you're going to see a particular link I sent you, a link like this, okay? wplogin.php. That's the link you're going to click in your browser. Just copy this link and paste in your browser and you are good to go. Next thing is just to put your username and your password. I will send you that too. Okay, so you can enable this so you don't need to remember again. And when you get in, you can also change your password if you want to. So we click on login and we set to get it to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This is not where you start replying the notes. All you need to do again is to hover over and you click on visit website in Serenity Touch, or click on the Serenity Touch icon. Okay, so now we are here. What you need to do is to click on the notes icon as you see at the top side of the website. Just click on that and all notes automatically will appear. As you can see from the left corner, we have all the notes that I've made. If you scroll down, you're going to find out more, okay? Number 6, I believe, is the first one. Now, this is how you can easily track all notes from here. As you're going to see, all of these are points of notes. Everywhere you see points with numbers, these are notes. This is also a note. You scroll down, this is also a note. Let me zoom out. Okay, everywhere you see details, you're going to see something pointing at it. So that's a note, this is a note, and so on. So to reply the note is very simple and straightforward. Okay, just click on the number and you can reply me from here. Okay, so you can say, okay, here are the details. You don't even need to say here are the details. Just type in the note you want us to replace this particular one with. Let's say you want us to replace this with section, and you click on reply. Okay, that note is gonna apply under mine. So you see, Serenity Touch belongs to assume to be me, which is the website. Now you have reply here. You can reply as much time as you want, as many times as you want. You can also click option at the right side and click on edit to edit the current one which you are done with, or you can also delete the note if you don't want it to exist there anymore. Okay, so when you are done just replying, you can head over to the next. Don't bother closing any of the notes. When I'm done reading the notes, I'll tick this I sign or delete them myself. So click on the next one, you reply, you go to the next one, you click and you reply, and so on and so forth. This is just what I want you to do, and this is just simply what to do. Now when you are done with this page, which is home page, you can't get into the About Us page that easily. All you need to do is to close down this. Just click on the X at the edge of the Notes tab. Click on that and that close down. Click. Now you can now click on About Us page. When you get to About Us page, you can still need you will still need to click on the Notes page and to open all notes in About Us. And you can see that simply from clicking or hovering on each and every note, as you can find from here. We have notes all over places that notes are applicable. Now, one thing very important, you can't edit the footer notes from this particular angle, these parts. You can't edit it from there, you can edit it from the home page. So make sure you deal with everything we want to deal with from this angle, okay? So you can edit the notes from here, these particular parts. You get, let me show you. So when we click on notes, there's a pop-up. So when we click on notes, you see where we have a note here. So you can click and type the mission statement, the brief mission statement, not the one actually that's supposed to be in the other end. So I think we are done with that. And we go to contact us. We still have the same applicable. Click on notes and we can have all notes pointed at each and every part of the website to make amends. So that's it. When you're done, just fill in the form. When you are done, you can close the website and that is it. And once you drop a note, I will receive an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And now, if there are places that I didn't add a note, maybe you want us to make an amend somewhere, maybe you want us to make an amend in this contact us, because this note is for this other one. You can also use the same note for both contact us and this one, you know. You can use the note for the same thing, like dropping multiple information. But if you want to make this separate, you yourself can create a note. Okay, very simple. Just hover, once you are in the notes feature, just hover any part you want to add the note, just click on that part and drop me a note. Say, here is what I want you to do. So, and you can now leave a note. I'll receive that and I'll reply you. You get the point? It's very simple. And when I'm done with a particular note, I can just hit the I icon, and that means that that particular note have been read. You're going to receive notification so that next time you might not just apply to it. So that's just simply it. I think it's very well understandable, very simple and straightforward. Log in. Once you're logged in, click on your website or browse through your website in another tab. then click on the note icon. Once you are logged in, all these features will appear here. The feature at the top bar will appear, okay? So you can click on the note and continue from there. So thank you. I'll be waiting for the notes in a little while.